Hello, my customer success friends. 𝘧𝘪𝘚𝘱𝘕 here from CSM Practice, customer success consulting firm. So this week, I'd like to dedicate the video for a question that was posed on the Customer Success Association's forum on LinkedIn. So thank you for those who posted that question, and this is to answer your question. The question was, how do you scale customer success teams? As we address this question, we have to ask ourselves, is the team mainly focused on high touch, or are you looking to also scale the efforts that are already working efficiently for a high touch model and proliferate that to the SMB segment? So first, let's start with how can you scale a high touch enablement model, meaning a strategic customer success team, which is taking the high-touch customer success team strategy that seems to work, but maybe it's too slow, maybe you don't feel like you're doing enough of things or that it's not being efficient, and look at ways that you can create enough enablement training, enablement materials so that everybody gets to be trained quickly, and also provide some shadowing opportunities for QBRs and other discussions with clients, because sometimes playbooks don't really get implemented properly by all team members, and that could be one of the things that really helps propel the entire team to this new change management behavior that is required to be efficient. Second thing that you can do is, besides enablement, of course, is to look into productivity tools. So anywhere between implementing a system, which I know some of you already have in place, to actual productivity tools like A-Text and collaboration tools like Slack, and then playbook automation. So for example, one of the things that you can do for high-touch teams is automate some of the messages that the team needs to send out the client based on your playbook on an ongoing basis. So for example, instead of having the CSM manually send out the same email more or less to every client again and again, think about what is that playbook, what is that email template that needs to be sent out after you receive promoter score, after they finished onboarding, or any kind of major milestones, and can you automate that process? Can you send out that email from the CSM using your customer success operating tool to send it out automatically, and thus increase the efficiency of the team? Now, what should we do the rest of the business, the rest of the clients that are considered either mid-sized clients or small clients of yours? Then what you really want to do there is to look into the segmentation of your client base again. And so really visit how you segment your clients. And let's suppose you've already done that. Now you want to take the high touch model that works and then see how can you do that more efficiently with the rest of the segments. Now, I'm not making anything new here, but what you really want to think about is how low can the CSM ratio to client be? You don't want to ever get into a situation where there's no resources dedicated to the client at all. So the question is, how do you make those processes automated so that they can flag out a client when they need help? And the flagging should be based on either predictive analytics if you have thousands of clients, or they could be based on, you run reports and maybe you have an operations team that look into reaching out to the client, and let's call them client setters, to set up those once a year meetings with the client, or just needing that touch point, single touch point per year, 6 months before their renewal. So think about those, and of course, there's a slew of self-service programs that should be part of that. And so you always want to find the right balance between a CSM and a management of a portfolio of businesses. And then the next thing is, Salesforce actually came up with a new role called Portfolio Success Manager. And I'm going to be covering that topic with Greg Tate, VP Customer Success at Salesforce, at the conference TSW this year in Las Vegas, October 23rd. You're welcome to join us. If you're not a member of TSIA, we actually have a voucher code for you. Direct message me on Twitter or email me at info@csmpractice.com and I will email you a special link. So go ahead and sign up for the conference. Come watch our session about how to automate playbook and how to develop an effective methodology for your SMB with something that's already worked for Salesforce really well. And for those of you who don't know, Salesforce is actually at the forefront of customer success methodologies. You do not want to miss that session. So sign up now, and hopefully we'll see you there.